Hi everyone, it's great to see you. You know that last week I was away from the garden as I went with my daughter to be with her while she had some medical tests, and I want to share with you what I got up to because even though I wasn't gardening, I used my time wisely. So many of you know that I'm a huge fan of Kim Haskins' art. She is amazing and she makes the most adorable cat paintings. And Pumpkin here loves them too. Pickle was up here too and just jumped down. One thing that Kim did this last summer was to release some fabric with her painting printed on it, and this is one of the Christmas patterns that she printed, and oh, it is adorable. There are 7 cats on here, and I decided that I would add a little bit of embroidery to it just to give it a personal touch. Come here. You can look from here. How about that? Is it so nice? Yeah, it's just so nice, isn't it? You love it. I know. So what we did is we got these ready to be wall hangings. So for the first one, we put a backing on the back. It is also put out in this line by Kim. It matches the border around here. So it's just plain on the back and some little tabs that can hold a dowel and hang this on the wall. And then for the second one, we attach the batting to it, and we're going to add the back and the hangers to it after I had finished the embroidery here. Now I haven't embroidered for a long time, and I by no means am a professional at needlework, but it's relaxing, and it was a great thing that I could do in the hospital while I was with Yeleth. And let me show you what I did. Do you want to get down? Okay. What I did here is I basically took a running stitch and went around and outlined the stars and the poinsettias that are on the tree. I added about 5 French knots with a beautiful gold embroidery floss to the center of those poinsettias. And then I took a few little places like the little mouse in the corner where Kim had already painted it to look like it was stitched. I just went over it with the embroidery floss to bring that out and give it some depth. Some of the hats I did the same thing too. I added a little gold around the gold bell here, and it was just so much fun. So I haven't really done a lot to these, but I feel like I've personalized them a bit, and we're going to enjoy this so much. Now, this is a really big wall hanging, so I'm going to hold it up to the wall so you get an idea. You'll have to think of a place that you could put this in your house, but you know, it's just so festive and so bright. So I'm not sure yet where this is going to go, but definitely somewhere that I can see it all the time. So take a look at how that looks. It really is large. It's going to be a great accent here, and so cute. So a big thanks to Kim for just creating such beautiful things for us, and I would love to hear about any of the projects that you're working on, because I know that us gardeners, we are good project people, and it's tough when we're in for the winter. So think of something like this to add to the inside of your house that will beautify it as much as you are on the outside in your garden. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.